The South African Constitution gives every citizen the right to a fair hearing in court, but the high costs of legal representation makes this more difficult for less fortunate people. Residents of Diepsloot, a township north of Johannesburg, are some of many who benefit from free legal services. The Worksman's Consumer Law Clinic was established to help those who are unemployed or earn less than 7,000 rand a month.
Essentially, we chose to focus our pro bono work here in Diepsloot because it's a community that's relatively near to Sandton, but it's also a community that has limited free legal services. So we saw the gap and felt it was an important thing to do and a good place to get involved where there was a need.
Sometimes we don't even do law, I must say, because it's more problem solving than legal matters, So we spend a lot of time advising clients on how to go about things, like how to get a credit report, what is the credit bureau, those kind of things.
This man, who wants to remain anonymous, was underpaid by a construction company he worked for. He hopes the clinic can help.
I think the lawyer, if we stand together, there will be some impact around my situation. Because these people tend to undermine you, most especially if you are coming areas like Diepsloot and then you are a black man.
In Constitution Hill, Braamfontein, Pro-bono.org creates volunteering opportunities for private lawyers and helps them meet the 24 hours of yearly pro bono work required by law societies nationwide. Apart from this requirement, the NGO believes that lawyers have a moral obligation to volunteer.
People choose to do law, and should choose to do law, I imagine, because they believe in a just society and that the law should be there to help people. And I therefore think that they should actually act on that, and they should do pro bono work to indicate that that is what they believe.
Motsiri could have chosen another department in Worksman's to do her articles, but says she prefers helping the little people.
Our clients can never afford legal services, most of our clients. It's impossible, they're poor. So I think what we're doing goes a long way, and I think that we've had a lot of victories, and I'm very proud of that, and I'm proud to do pro bono.